Hello everyone, welcome to my channel RC Hub, and in today's video let us see how we can draw objective drawing. So I'll be taking a few examples of the objective still life drawing and I'll be practically drawing it. Hope this is helpful. If you are new to my channel, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Let us begin. So for example, we will start with a bucket, and the eye level is going to be in front, so you're gonna observe from the front itself here, straight. And when you observe from the straight, the bucket is gonna be this way. So you can draw this ellipse first, and then if you're finding it difficult to draw this angle, what you can do is you can roughly draw the center line, and then the left side one you can simply draw it line next to the right side one in this way, and the bottom one. So make sure this length is going to be same in this way. So drawing a middle line will help. Next, after drawing it, next comes its shoulder here, and the handle. Next, once you got it right, you can make it dark, not before that. Now see the angle. Now suppose you are seeing from the top, what will be the angle of this one, how will it look? So here I will demonstrate on how it looks from different angles also. Now here it is a front view, so you can only see this one section, or sometimes it is like completely flat also. Now here let me draw it little dark in this way. So this is a bucket, an object. Next step, I would see from the top. Now the next step would be like this, seeing the bucket from the top. Now how you have to imagine like how it would look from the top. So if you're observing from the top here, I will draw over here. You would be able to see like almost this much of the inside portion, and the center line, this will appear same. Length might appear a little less. Even this bottom will appear a little less. Bottom we have not drawn it over here, we have to draw it this one as well. Yes, this might appear a bit less because we are seeing from the top. Next is the shoulder. This is also going to be less over here, and this angle. So this is seeing from the little top. Now if you are seeing from the overall top like this top view, you only will be able to see the top view, the inside of the bucket. So this is not this is wrong, so you will be able to see it as a circle and not the sides if you're seeing directly from the top. Now many make mistakes. I'll talk about the mistakes that usually students do. That is, you all draw it in this way. It's not like an eye. It shouldn't be sharp over here. So this is wrong. So instead make it curvy in this way. So this is the correct step, not like this or not in this way. Even this is wrong, this is wrong, this is correct. You all have to observe all these things. Now it depends on the angle. This is also correct in which you observe. The one more mistake that students do is that when you draw this, the angle changes. Now see, suppose I drew it directly. When I drew the center line, I got both left side and right side angle almost similar. When I drew it like directly, if you notice, this angle and this angle has changed, so which is wrong. So you have to draw the center line, which helps you in deciding this angle. So always Draw the center line. When it comes to cylinder or round circle, it's better to draw this part so that you get it symmetrical. Let us see on how to take measurements using pencil now. So for example, something is placed, some object is placed